Ever wondered how we brand your GHL SaaS video so that it looks like it's made just for you and you only? Well, we are not going to answer that, because what happens in GHL video stays in GHL video. Nah, just kidding. We are going to answer that, and we will tell you how we brand your video in 3 steps. It's easy for us, but it might not be easy for you. So step 1, we will provide you a short intake form. You will upload the brand logo and the color schemes that go with your brand. Step 2, we update the video according to your brand's identity, meaning we will update the visual, the dashboards and the logos and the color palettes to make sure each and everything reflects your brand. Even the voiceover over here is updated so that the voiceover artist talks about your brand and say your brand's name, right? For example, if your brand name is XYZ, the voiceover says XYZ. See, it's easy. Step 3 is the easiest part. Our teammate will cross-check the video and see if there is any problem with the video. If there is not, then we will send the video to you. That's it. The 3 steps are very easy, but then again, are they really very easy? Well, it's not. Well, you see, our team works their ass off to make these videos, and you don't know the struggles. I mean, we have seen those struggles. We have been there. I don't want to talk about it.